Hi, Populist family. Steve Hamill, Director of Operations with Attraction Tidbit in mid-June. Can you believe we're there already? We work for a great company that has core values. One of those I've been thinking about recently is individual responsibility. As a company, we make a commitment to customers to clean a certain space at a certain time and in a certain way. And when we fail to do that, from the top down, we seek to own that, to acknowledge it when we do fail, and then to provide proper restitution when it's appropriate. As individuals, we have lots of opportunity to express individual responsibility because our culture doesn't teach this or expect this from us. For instance, when you are cleaning, oftentimes you can be dusting and knock something over by accident. Sometimes it breaks. When you're vacuuming and someone left their earphones underneath their desk, can you suck that up into the vacuum? Listen, accidents happen. We're expecting you to take individual responsibility for your actions and to report that immediately to your area manager. Part of that is because we want to be a good partner with our customers, and we want to provide restitution for the things that we've done. And we expect from time to time things are going to break, and it's okay, but take individual responsibility. It's one of the things that makes us different from our competitors. Be individually responsible this week in cleaning.